Hi guys, good morning everyone. In the last session, we discussed about how to fetch the products based on the category. So yesterday, I have implemented that functionality. Whenever we click on the category menu items, the particular products are loading. So when you click laptops, only the laptops are loading. When you click mobiles, only the mobiles are loading. That functionality we implemented in the yesterday session. And we have given the task for two people to work on dynamic menu implementation and search functionality. I think one is Kannan, another one is Gopal, I think so. Guys, are you available today?
Yes,
Yes,
sure.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very
Sure.
good.
Yeah, sure. It is done now. I have a small correction. Okay.
Okay.
Can I
And
share the screen?
yes, I will give the option. Yeah, you can share your screen. Yes, we can see.
Yes, sir. So actually, I have added yesterday. It was only three things. Now I added two.
Mhm.
I think displaying dynamically. If you want to check, I will insert one record, the database.
Okay. Insert into category values electronics. Very good.
Okay, it is inserted.
Mhm.
You see, then electronics.
Yeah, menu is coming dynamically. Good.
Great. Okay. So what I have done is I have added a new product category column, category ID,
The
category
new
plus,
class is added, which
the
is
new class
product
added,
category.
and a
Yes.
new component to make it very loosely coupled. I added a new component also. This is the component.
Yeah.
Okay, and HTML.
Okay.
Okay, and new service has been added, category service, similar
Okay.
to the product service. I am again using the same
Yeah.
subscription.
How product service is available in the same
Yes,
way, category service is available.
available. Okay. Now, so these three had been added. Finally, we did a change in this one app component by importing the product category component.
Mhm.
And in the here only I have clarification. Here, so I removed the static content and I've added the uh,
Selector.
select. So here what happens if I load the app product category, it is working fine.
Mhm.
If I am not able to how to make it the router link directly. If I make it a router, so I think you saw right, it is working. Now, if I make it to the router one, it is not working.
No, we should not add it as a router outlet because that menu is loading dynamically, right? We need to select the component by using selector. Router outlet is used to load the body content. It is a sidebar, right? For the sidebar, we don't load the outer outlet.
Oh, okay.
So whatever that you have done, that's correct. Product category component we are invoking by using its selector, line number 13. That is correct.
Correct. Okay. Then product category. So this is okay, right?
Yeah, that is
Then,
fine. It's
then we
good.
can
Your
do
task
that.
is completed.
Oh, okay. So here actually, okay, no, then no need of app root for this one. Okay. This is not required, you are saying.
No,
Product
that
category.
whatever the router, can you go to component.html, product category component.html? Yeah, here you have given the router for the category, right?
Category. Yes,
So
yes.
this will load the router content. It will update in the body of the web page.
Body of the web page. Yes. Okay.
Correct. So it is working. So
Okay.
just give the brief overview what you have done to complete your task. Guys, all of you observe. I have given one task for him. He is able to complete that task. The task I have given for Kannan is we have yesterday we have the static menu in our application to display product categories. Now, so he is inserting one more category menu item in the database table, which is coming to the front end. So just Kannan, just give the brief overview what you have done in this application.
Yes, yes. So basically, so the app component is the one which is, I think, loading everything. As a part of yesterday code, this is the menu sidebar. This is the menu sidebar code which will display this content. Okay, so left side one. So yesterday, the code was hard coded to display the all the thing laptop, mobile, all the product category. So here I have just use I think same skeleton of the code div. So menu sidebar everything inside. I removed the static content. Then I have I think loaded one component. So to load one component, I have created a product the category class. Why? Because we have to do the data binding from backend to front end. Okay. So in the backend, if you see, this is the URL for the product category. If you click, we can see the list of product category. Okay, whatever I have. This is from the code product category. Wait 1 minute. So these are the list of product category ID in my table. This will be fetched from this backend API. Okay. So to bind this data, we have to create one product category class in Angular. Okay, so created. Again, to get the data, I have created one service, product category service. Okay, so similar to what Ashok created, like I think product service, this product service, this will invoke the backend API, whatever is we saw now. Then it will fetch the data and it will store in the how to say it fetches the data. Okay, so I have created one more component, product category component. This component will load the product service. We are injecting the dependency here for the product service, and we are getting all the value, and we are putting it to the array product categories. Okay, from service we are putting in product category service. From here, this is being loaded in the product category HTML. Okay, this HTML we are calling in the app component.html. So here we are calling. So we have removed the static content. This will load the dynamic content of the products. So in high level, I have created ng generate a product category class, and I created a service, and I created a product category component. Then after that, I have updated the
invoke category component from the app component. Invoke category component from the app component to display dynamic sidebar.
Invoke yes category component from app dot component. Okay, so code changes. So these are the new code has been new class, new service, new component, and code change in app dot component dot html. And I think Ashok, so you were saying this is not required. Then this okay. So there is no change in the root. Okay, I will change this one. So these are the changes I implemented as a part of to implement this one. Any clarification?
Yeah, guys, anybody having any questions, you can ask Kannan. He completed his task. Anybody having any questions for him? In order to display category menu dynamically, we have the API in the backend, which will give category table data in the JSON format. It is wrapped in the embedded array. So to map that backend response to the front-end application, he created one product category class. Category ID and category name will be available. So this is product category class, which contains category ID and category name. This is used to map backend API response in the front-end application. And to make a request to the backend application, he created one product category service. In the services, product category service will be available. In the product category service, we are accessing our backend API. It is giving the response in the array format because multiple category items are available. It is coming in the embedded format. We are extracting that from the embedded format and storing into category array. Then next, category component is created, so which is going to represent the side menu of our application. So in this category,
sir, embedded means what is the meaning of embedded, sir? That part I am not clear, sir.
If you see the response, you will understand, sir. Backend response to the Postman, if you see that response is coming like this, line number 2.
Right, sir. Okay, that we are converting to array form, sir.
Yes, that we are extracting that data from the embedded array and converting into category array.
Oh, okay, sir. Where is that category array showing, sir?
Can you show that one to him once? Yeah, service.
You want service?
Category service.ts. Yes. So if you see line number 23 to 27, that is the interface we are using to represent that data.
Okay, okay. Got it. Okay.
So
Sir, why
here,
you sir, why you going to interface, sir?
sorry,
Why which interface?
which is used to map the response. We are not getting the direct array, right? Our array is available inside the embedded variable. So to read the data from the embedded variable, we are mapping to a interface.
So line 23 to 26 will convert embedded form to array form, right, sir?
Correct.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yes, still my Angular concepts are not that strong, sir. I'm still trying to make myself strong, sir. But in a layman term, we are just getting from backend and we are displaying using this Angular, right, sir? Using this TS business logic.
Correct.
Okay, sir. Okay. And HTML and CSS we use for styling and display purpose. But why we are using multiple TS files, sir? That part I'm not understanding, sir. One TS should be enough, right, sir?
No, sir. Every component will have its own TS file.
Oh, everything is separate TS file. Okay. Product separate, sir. Category separate, sir. How many TS we need, sir?
For every component, so you need to attend Angular classes, sir. Go through the videos.
Right, sir. Right. Yeah, every component in the sense like product category. Can you just elaborate, sir, quickly, like what category, which one we need, sir?
I did not get your question, sir.
So how many TS we need, sir? That one I'm not clear, sir. Can you please explain that one, sir?
For every component, one TS will be available.
Okay, sir. When we say every component, what different components we have in this example, sir? This use case?
As of now, we created two components, product list component and category component.
Only
By
two.
default, app component. As of now, there are three components available. So for every functionality, one component will be created.
Okay, product category. What is third one, sir?
First one is app component. Second one is list component. Third one is category component.
App list and category. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, good job. Anyone having any questions on the category component that is developed by Kannan? Guys, any questions you want to ask him? So when I give the task for this, any person in the team, right? It's not that only they are responsible to do that. In your local, you should also try that. So I'm picking some people from the class and I'm giving the task for them in the major project. It does not mean that only they will do that task, you no need to do. So if I am giving some task for the people, that task you also should complete on your own. Okay, Kanan, did you integrate your code in the Git repository?
Yeah, no, sure. So I have one more code. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah, here just I download the code. So code is here. I am just copying pasting here. Okay, because I'm using different data binding and from your code. I think only small correction. So I will update the code now. Okay.
Yeah, can you push your code to Git repository?
Yes. So I have to copy. I think almost.
Why to copy same project you can import? Na? You can clone on the same project and you can work on the same project.
So what is the problem is here in the API response, I'm using something like in the fetch products. I'm using something like category, something like category ID. I think you're using only ID.
Okay.
So again, I have to do the more things. So first initially I fixed it. I thought it was wrong, so only I didn't check in. Now I think everything is done. I will check in now. If you give me some 5 minutes.
Yeah, so
It's very
you
fine.
correct it and push your code to the Git repository.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Next one, Gopal.
Hi, sir. Ashok, a quick question regarding that component.
Yeah.
So I have tried that, but I have implemented in a different way. What I did is like I made a service call, I mean backend call, and in the app.component itself, we were using like hard coded, right? So I just used ng for and looped and generated that categories. So
Correct.
is it okay, or is it like best practice is like create a new component itself,
Sir,
like
new
convert it?
component, sir. Angular main advantage is everything you can make loosely coupled by using components. For category, separate component is recommended because it is a separate menu item, right? There is no relation with the body. Menu is separate, body
Yeah.
is separate. So creating separate component is recommended.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Understood. Thanks, Ashok.
Yeah. Yeah. Gopal,
Hi, sir.
did you complete your task?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm not getting that output. Can I share my
Sorry?
screen?
Yeah. You can share your screen now. Show me.
Yes.
I have given search functionality for you.
Yes, yes, yes. So I created one component, search component.
Mhm.
Inside search component in HTML files, I created one input text, input field,
Okay.
and also I created one event like key up dot do search event.
Okay.
I assigned that I created one variable like my input.
Mm-hmm.
I assigned that event as a value
Mm-hmm.
inside search component. I map that you navigate URL that I have written inside app.route.ts file.
Mm-hmm.
It will navigate to the search component.
Okay.
Inside that app.component, I just route this app search folder, app search component inside main app component. After inside this product service, I created one search product,
Right.
which is used to the keyword. I assign just one keyword here,
Mm-hmm.
and I created one variable that is search URL. So inside that, I have placed my backend API here.
Mm-hmm.
It will be fetch the value according to our event.
Okay.
So for backend, so here I have just written the get product. So it will be fetched from the this private method
Mm-hmm.
written HTTP to get response the embedded response.
Okay, good.
But sir, while I'm testing this in browser, so it will not give me an output.
Is it going to the backend? Is the request is going to the backend?
So I check my console, so I am getting this error. This value is the laptop, so is it going?
Yeah. Go to the network tab. Clear that network and start typing. Is it sending the request to the backend or not? No. Request is not going to the backend. Can you show me that once again? Search component. Search component.html. You have added this search component. Where you are accessing this search component?
Inside app.com.
In
Here
the
is.
app component. So you remove the hard coded value
Yes.
and you are accessing that app search component.
Yes.
Okay. Can you go to search component.ts again? ng on init do search method console.value this dot route dot navigate by URL. Why you are doing routing in the do search method? You need to call the service method here, na?
So I insert product list component. I call that service.
No. If you redirect to that, right? Can
Yes.
you go up?
Here I have created one.
List products. If the keyword is search products, else list products. Okay. You are getting the keyword, then search products. Okay, handle search products you are writing here.
Yes.
If that is having a keyword, you are searching for that. That is fine. Can you print that keyword is coming to here? Is that keyword coming to this one?
Yes, sir. Inside the console, I have printed this.
That is
Whatever.
printing there, here in this search products method. Line number 42, can you write console.log? Give some message also. Console.log list component data. Just write some message. List component. Show me the search component.ts once again.
Yes.
Search component.ts. So /search now. Can you go to routing file? Did you add the? Can you add the routing above? Cut this line number 11. Keep it at the top. So when you are sending a request to the search component with some keyword, then it should go to the product list component. Then open the list component now. List component.ts. Okay, right click, format document. Yes, so go to ng on init. You are calling list products method. In the list products method, you are searching for category key as keyword. If that keyword is available, search. Otherwise, list. Then again, why are you calling list products? Line number 38. Remove that. Handle search products. If it is keyword is available, then search product with the keyword. Then open the service method. No, 1 minute. 43 line number, you take that 43 line number, keep that in the 41. Cut and keep in the 41. Yes. Open that service method, search products. The keyword you are passing, this dot get products search URL. So this is wrong, right? You take this line number 30 to line, copy 30 or 30 line number, copy line number 30.
30.
Line number 30, complete 30 and 31 both. Copy and replace it with line number 24. Yes, now save this and try. No, refresh it once. Now type. Yes, it is working now.
Yes, it is working.
So you're able to filter the data. Search functionality is also working.
Yes, sir.
So the mistake you have done in the service, you are calling the get products method with the URL, right? That URL is going wrong.
Wrong. Correct.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, whatever the URL that you have 23, directly we are sending a request. You call another method by passing that URL, that is becoming wrong because whatever the URL you are passing, if you see line number 30, already API URL it is taking and you are passing one URL, it is combining both, that is becoming wrong. Okay.
Yes.
So in the line number 22, search product method is available, which is taking a keyword. That means whatever the keyword you enter in the search box, it will take that keyword and it will send that keyword as a query parameter to the backend API, find by product name containing. So whatever the name you give, based on that, it will search for the products. Good.
Yes.
Then it will get the products in the form of embedded array. We are converting that into product category array. Good. Fine, guys. So whatever the two tasks available, category menu display and products search functionality, both are completed. Okay, good job. Kannan and Gopal, excellent guys. You are able to complete the task that I have given. And Gopal, can you explain what you have done? High level, coding level, what are the changes you have done to implement that search functionality to the people?
Yes, sir. First of all, I created one component which is search component. Inside our main app component, it is already present hard-coded value. Just I have removed that hard-coded value and import app search here as a router outlet. After that, inside our search component HTML file, I have created one input file. Inside that, I have just assigned one my input as a event to search the data, whatever it is. So I just enter one key up event here, which is called as do search. So I map that do search inside app.ts file. So I just import one router here. It will it will assign in event in do search. It will direct navigate by the whatever our route path is available inside app.config.route file. It will be mapped to that files according to whichever we value enter. So it will map to that app.component file. Inside product.service, I have created one method which is search folder. So I just assign one new variable, the keyword. Inside that, I have just also I have created one new folder which is search URL, which is used to fetch our backend API. So whatever we write keyword, that keyword fetched from our API, which is the keyword we are taken from the method. Inside that product list components, so first of all, I have created one handle search product method. So here we have created that same variable as a new variable, the keyword here. Also, this list it will be it is a list product. First of all, it will list product. So this dot search mode, it will be search the value whatever we write here. It will be search. If it is this keyword is present, so then this method called the handle search product, which are we have write this here inside inside this method. It will be search. If this keyword is present, then it will be give the output. Else it will be throw the whatever list of product present, then it will be display our dashboards.
Yeah, good job. So guys, anyone having any questions on this? Yeah, I will give the overview what this person has done. Can you go to application, Gopal? Yeah. Guys, this is our main application homepage. Here we are having search field and we are having a search button. Okay. So earlier, this search field is directly available in the app component. So what he has done to make this application loosely coupled, he created a search component. In the search component, he has created one text field with the key up event. So can you show the search component once you created? He created one new component called search component. In the search component HTML, he created one text field. Okay. And for the text field, he has given key up event. And that key up event is mapped to do search method. So the moment you type the data, that do search method will be called. So what is the logic in the do search method? In the do search method, he is reading the data. He is reading the data that you enter, right? Whatever the value is available, whatever the data that you are entering, so he's going to read that value. Whatever you type, that value will come to this method. And from this method, he's simply redirecting the request to the search URL pattern. So go to the routings. In the routings, he configured one URL pattern. Line number 5, search slash colon keyword. So whenever you type something in the search field, it will take that keyword, search keyword, and it will send to product list component. And go to product list component now. In the product list component, earlier we have list products method. Today, he made a change in the product list component to handle two functionalities. Here, product list component will list the products in two scenarios. When you select menu item, when you select a category, it will load the products. When you type something in the search keyword, then also it will load the products. So what he is doing in this method is, in the list products method, if you observe, line number 30 list product method is available. In this method, he is checking that URL is having search keyword or not. When the list products method is called, that URL is having the search keyword or not. If a keyword is available, then he is calling search products method. If a keyword is not available, he is calling list products method. So search products method will search the records based on the given value in the text field. List products method will retrieve the records based on the category selection. That's it. Okay. That search component, whatever is available, he is accessing the search component in the app component. Can you go to app component? App component.html. So whatever the hard-coded search field is available, he removed that hard-coded search field. In the line number 35 is accessing app search selector, which is going to load the search component. The text field is represented by one component. So when we type some data in that component, it will call the do search method in the key up event. The do search method is navigating the request to the product list component. In the list component is checking in the URL keyword is available or not. If the keyword is available, then he is calling search products method. If keyword is not available, then he is calling list products method. Search products method will get based on the given search criteria. List products method will load the data based on the category. Good. Now go to the application, show the demo. Now this is the application. Now you type something like laptop. There are three products which contains the keyword laptop. Lenovo ThinkPad is available. For the Lenovo ThinkPad, laptop is not there in the name. Now type only Dell. Dell. There is only one product available with the Dell. Same thing if you click search button also, same thing will happen. For that also do search method is implemented. Remove the search criteria. Now search iPhone. Yes, only that iPhone is coming. Apple is coming. Okay, now click on laptops. When I click on laptops, all the laptops are coming. Click on mobiles. Mobiles are coming. Shirts. Good. Beauty. There are for shirts, three shirts does not have images.
Yes, yes.
You added three more records in the shirts, so
Yes,
you need to keep the images for that.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Good.
Actually, sir, when I run this application, so I get the error this, which is like,
What is that error? That is a warning. That's not a problem. You can ignore it. They are saying that your images size is heavy.
also, sir, while we implement this search function, so it is mandatory take the first URL as a search keyword inside this app.ts file. Sir. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it is mandatory to put this path of search
Yes,
functionality.
yes, sir. It's mandatory because that is the router we are using, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's mandatory.
So it will be first as a inside app.route file.
Correct.
Okay. Okay.
Good. Fine. Anybody having any questions to Gopal?
So actually here from the I think from searching right initially, how you are I think getting that input to the app search, that portion of code.
Yeah, go to search component.html. Here he has taken my input dot value. He has appended. So if you see line number 4, input field is available, right? He mapped
Okay.
it to my input binding variable.
So it is JavaScript functionality, right? I think that
Yes, right.
event we are getting. Okay.
So
From that,
whatever you enter in the text field, that will be stored into my input. That my input dot value is passing to the do search method. So that do search method will get that input field value as a parameter.
so okay, sir. So in general, like just we have to know when we need to go with the routing and when we need to go without routing. That is not still I think fully.
Routing is basically when you want to navigate, when you are clicking some URLs and you want to load the data based on the click, then you will go for the routing. Router outlet, whenever you want to load the body without reloading the page, then you will go for the router outlet.
Router outlet routing. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now it's clear. Okay, because I think Vijay also giving some assignment that also we are doing actually. I think similar kind of assignment he gave for today.
Yeah, Kanan, see here, I have import this app.search. If it is, I will remove and import like router outlet. So it will be not giving any proper output.
Yeah, the same thing also I tried. Actually, I think I completed earlier, but with this one I have tried for 2 to 3 hours. It was not working. Then finally,
Yeah, for you people in the 2 assignments, right? You should not load the router outlet
no
because
problem.
one is a header item, another one is side menu item.
So router
You need
outlet you will
to
use only for the body
body.
main content.
Yes, main content.
Main content.
Router outlet we will use only for the body, router outlet.
Okay.
For
So I think
small,
on the app search, can you go to the app search, that HTML, search HTML actually, search
Search
component.
component HTML.
Here we are using, here also we are not using router link. Somewhere it will call where we are using the router link for this search, which place?
No, because it is that is happening based on the key up event and click event.
Okay, event based we are taking.
Line number 7, if you see key up dot enter. So whenever you type something in the search field and when you press the key, then it will call the do search method. Method will be called automatically. For every key that you type, the method will be called.
Okay. Okay, got
Kanan,
it.
only app.component component files. So we just call this app search component here.
Line number, scroll down.
Yeah, here.
Line number 35, yes.
We just call that app.component app.search component.
Search, yeah, it will load here. Okay, loading
It will
it
be load
directly
here.
call the app component, search component and HTML. Okay.
Yes.
So he is invoking search component in the app component. So the text field will be displayed in the header. Whenever you type something in the text field, then it will call the do search method in the key up.
Yeah,
Do
okay.
search method is calling product list component methods.
So
He is
Ashok,
routing
actually,
the request.
yeah, I think we can implement the same functionality with the help of the NG model, right? I think two-way binding also we can
Yes,
do,
that
right?
also we can do. He has taken my input now. Instead of that, you can take NG model
NG
variable
model, yeah,
also.
because yesterday you said I thought we should go in that way. Okay, I thought this is the JavaScript, that is the Angular concept, two-way binding, where we can connect that one. Okay.
Right. Good. Can you guys integrate your code in the develop branch now?
Yes.
So can
Yeah,
you show
sure.
the code integration part also?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah, Kanan, you can share the screen.
yes, I can share. I can
Yes.
some code. Yeah, I'm to this one actually. The code is not getting check in, Ashok. Okay, in the I think find push one.
Who is doing first? Who want to integrate the code?
I can share, Ashok, quickly.
Yeah, you can integrate your code now. So whenever you are working on, don't work on the different project, sir. If you work on the different project, copy pasting the code, you may miss some changes, it will affect.
Okay.
Okay, you take my project repository and you work on that repository directly.
Yeah, okay. Ashok, as of now, I have created all the components for this project and I pasted. I think this will work fine because once I loaded the project, I'm getting more error because I have to install the I think npm module everything, right? So your code will not be installed in my system. So I'm facing more error. So then I used my own project. Okay, now I created whatever change, everything I created completely in this project. Okay, so I have not touched the existing code. Whatever the new change code, I have done that apart from the app.component
Yeah.
HTML.
Can you show me the status once?
Yeah, now again, I'm getting thing other than the push one. See,
Yeah, I will check that. Git status, can you show me Git status? Execute Git status command.
yeah, one minute. The system got stuck.
Nothing to commit, you are up to date. Okay. Now, can you do Git push now? Just Git push. Remote repository frontend app.git not found. Go to your project directory. So this is the project that you cloned from my repository,
Yes,
right?
yes. And did the code change as well.
Open this, open the .git folder.
This
No, no,
one, right?
no.
Okay.
So that is the reason I told you yesterday, you clone my project and you make the changes in my project. Then it will be easy for you to integrate the code. If you do it in a separate project, code integration will become very difficult. So when we are working as a team, we all should work on the same project. Now you have your own project, Gopal is having his own project, then copy pasting the code and integrating it will give a lot of problems and you may miss something. So now what we need to do is we lost the connection with that remote repository. Go back, go to the config file once, go to the config.git folder config file, right click and open that config file. Yes, this repository available as expected. Yes, close it. You merged the code changes, right? It is
Yes, yes. Now code is available.
your code is available in that. Okay.
So
Go to the Git bash.
initially, I have checked out to the develop branch. Then only I started the git add, git commit, git push.
Can you do git pull? You are not able to connect with the remote repository.
Do we need to go to the earlier folder or this folder alone we should do, right? Yes, this folder.
Sorry?
So we have to do from here only, right? From this only, not from the Ashok AT project.
No, in that e-commerce front-end app, in that only. You lost connection with the remote repository.
So shall I close and or can I open a new connection?
You close this and open again. Yeah, git status. Okay, git pull. I think you need to delete this and you need to clone again.
Okay, sure. I will.
Yeah. So you delete this and you clone the project again. So remember, whoever is working on the assignment, don't work on your own project. If you work on your own project, it will become very difficult to maintain the code integration. So you need to take the same you need to clone the project from the Git repository, and you need to import the same project into your IDE, and you need to work on the same project. All of you got my point? When I give some task for you, you need to clone the repository from the GitHub and you need to do the code directly in that project. Then code integration will be easy. So if you are doing in the separate project, copy pasting the files from one project to another project, you may do some mistake. Close VS Code, then only you can move.
Wait, okay.
Maybe in the Git bash, is it open?
That also closed.
Command prompt.
I think this is open. This is also closed only actually.
Close this also. Close all the VS Code IDE and command prompts. Yep. Now clone this repository again and integrate the code changes.
So I think initially we have to go with the Git checkout, I think develop branch, right, Ashok?
Yeah, first you need to clone the repository, then you need to do the checkout. No, first you did not clone the tree. It is saying the repository is not available.
Okay. I think did you remove from the collaborator or it is?
No, I did not remove the collaborator. Yes, check it. I will be back in 1 minute.
Yeah. Anyone have any idea why we are getting this error when we do the first time clone?
So while committing, did you delete the main branch?
No, I think I didn't. Anyway, even if
Can
I
you
do,
check in the Git? Can you check in Git UI? Main branch is there.
where you
It's there,
is
I think. Two branches will be showing, right? Up, decide, develop. Two branches. Yeah, click the drop down. You will see main and develop branch. So main and develop are there.
now we can clone the main, right? But same URL only, right? For everything.
Yeah, but I think sir made it private, I think. We should ask sir what to do. Because we are not able to access that repository using the same URL.
Kannan,
The application is private, right? We'll wait
No,
like
it's
something
not
authentication is there, I think.
it's not the issue of private. I
can
will.
you go? Can you go back to that Git bash once? Yeah, thank you. So basically, here you're trying to clone inside another repository, right? I see master branch is already there. So you're trying to clone a repository inside a repository.
No, now I created a new folder actually. New folder.
But I understand that. But I see here master branch. If you see to the right side,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So if master, like if something is there, master or something is there in a bracket, that means we are already in a what do you say, a repository, right? That's what I believe that
Okay.
indicates.
Okay. I think it is going to uh, other thing. Okay.
So can you go do cd dot dot once, cd space dot dot? Just wanted to check if that master is all. Yeah, it looks like somewhere in the root folder we have initialized the Git repository. So whichever project, whichever folder we go in our Windows laptop, it looks like that is a repository. That is why we are seeing that branch name. So
Okay.
what might, did you understand my point?
Yes, I got it. Now, how we can
Okay.
exit this one?
Can you switch it from master to other?
Check out.
So how to exit means, mm, can you do one more cd or dot dot? Just wanted to check if the previous hierarchy is also in the Git. Oh man, yeah.
No, I am also using Git for some other project. Okay, maybe that got in the root, right?
Yeah, I don't know
Just
the
try
solution how to do
git
that,
checkout.
but
First, we need to do git clone. Initially, we need to check out the clone the project so that it will be available to local.
so do you have any other drive like D drive, C drive? So can you try to create a folder there and open a git bash in some other drive but not D in your laptop?
I have C only. I don't have.
Git checkout branch name.
Then it
Okay.
will go to that particular branch, right? Actually.
Yes. So might be get out from the master to that particular branch. So you can try to get
Actually,
checkout develop.
hello. Yeah, firstly, you have to just do that Git branch.
1 minute. I will go to. Okay, what you're saying? Git
Git branch.
is master only.
No, actually, only there is master, na. So we cannot check out from other branch.
Like git checkout branch name.
Only there is a master branch. So we can't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But he wants to go to developer branch.
Okay.
So that's the reason.
Very thing we have to be in hands-on with the Git. Okay, then only it will be helpful to check out or do the activities. I also don't know what to do now.
Can you go to the Windows folder and see if you have .git file?
No, there is no .git here.
No, that is a hidden file, right? So click on view. Not here, but on the top you see, right? File, home, share, view, 4 tabs. Yeah, click on view and select hidden items. Hidden items are already selected. Okay. Yeah, so the most probable problem we have is like what I say is like your root folder is initialized as a Git repository. That is why each and every subfolder we see it as a master branch. So we need to go to the root and try to delete that .git repository. Then we can solve and we can do the git clone. Can you go to that Java self-study? I mean, first folder in the D drive. Yeah. So we see it as a master still. So that means that, yeah. So do the git clone here.
Okay, 1 minute. Not to confuse things. Okay, what I will do. Yeah, no.
So still the same issue.
No, we have a branch in GitHub, like developer branch.
Yes, we have.
You selected the main branch, so.
No, I think for cloning, I think it should be fine for any branch, I guess. Because even if you go, it shows the same thing. After cloning, then we can, I think, decide which branch we have to select.
Okay.
Okay, let the show come.
Hi, Janardhan.
Yeah, hi.
Once try to create a branch under the develop, then try to clone it.
Here. So you want to create a branch here?
Yeah, under the develop. Yes.
No, I cannot do. I don't have access to.
Yeah, right. Okay.
Ashok only can do.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah, hi guys. What is the issue?
Yeah, Ashok, we tried to clone it one. It is not working actually. We tried it's a different branch also. So we are getting the same error.
Git clone. So can you go to Windows? Do you have 2 Git accounts or only 1 Git account?
Yeah, I think I have one more Git account.
That is the issue.
I'm not.
Can you go to Credential Manager?
Where Ashok? Where?
In the Windows Search option. Windows Search. No, not there. In the taskbar. Search for Credential Manager. Windows Credentials. Windows Credentials.
Okay.
Go to Git Credentials below. Yes. Yeah. Scroll down. GitHub.com. Expand that GitHub account.
This one, right?
So you have given me the same ID, different ID.
This is a different one.
Yeah, that is the issue. Remove this. Click on remove. Yes. Now go to the git bash and clone again.
So this is also one more thing, right?
Yeah, remove this also. As it is a private repository, with your correct Git account only, you can clone it. Yeah, that's it. We have done that. Now go back, git clone now. Let's do the cloning now. It will ask you to log in. Which account you have given me?
Yes,
That
yes.
account only you need to log in, then only you can clone it.
Yes.
Yes. Use the Git account for which I have given the collaborator permission.
Which one?
Authorize that Git ecosystem.
This one, right?
Yes. Done. Yep. Now you are able to clone. Huh?
I think, yeah. Now what I will do, I will replace that old project here. Then I will do. Okay.
Yeah. So from now onwards, don't do it in a separate project. Which project you cloned, you need to import the same project into VS Code and you need to develop. Then only code integration will be easy.
Yes, sir. So one issue what I got is initially I thought of I have only one I think data binding different from your project. That is okay. But when I load the project, I got more error. Then I installed the npm and front I think one thing you install right after even after installing I got some errors. So instead of fixing
Okay,
that,
for now you just integrate the code and push that code to the develop branch. I will see that.
okay, now I will I think update this one, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
you can update the code in this one. From now onwards, you work on the same project.
Yes, okay. Now I will copy the I think whatever code I planned for you. I think it
Yes.
should work. Okay, give me.
And from now onwards, whenever you are working on the teamwork, right, everybody will work on the same project only.
Okay.
Then only code integration will happen properly. Okay. Now, Gopal, are you able to clone the repository?
Hello, not yet.
Clone the repository and integrate the code. Today, I want both of you to integrate the code into develop branch. Don't do in the main branch.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
good. The remaining people, please complete these two tasks, whatever they have done. Category menu dynamic and search functionality they have implemented. Okay, so tomorrow we'll work on product master view. So when you click on the product image, it should display more details about the product that we are going to do in the tomorrow session. Okay, guys, good. Thank you.
Hello,
We'll
sir.
continue tomorrow.
Sir, can I share my screen, sir? My images are not loading.
Yes. You can share it.
Yes, sir. Is my screen visible, sir?
Yes.
Sir, whenever, sir, I click on this menu, sir, URL is changing, sir, but images are not loading.
The records are not coming. Your backend application is running.
Yes, sir. Actually, it was running before, sir, but yesterday's code, whatever you teach, I have implemented, and after this is happening, sir.
Run the application.
Okay, sir.
Is it running now?
Yes, sir.
One server is already running.
Okay, sir. Now I can run.
Go to the start class and run that. Update the project. Now go to start class and run that.
Run, sir.
No.
Now can I run, sir, this?
Yeah, go to Postman and send a request.
Yes, sir.
Send a request. See products are coming or not.
Yes, sir, they're coming.
Yeah. Now go to product list component. Product list component. No, I can't see that.
Is it right, sir?
There is nothing here. I can't see anything. Your screen is
Okay.
blank.
Okay, sir.
Can you open product list component.html?
Now is it visible, sir?
No. There is some network issue from your side. Yeah, scroll down.
Now is it visible, sir?
Yes.
Product list component.html, sir.
Go to component TS file.
App component, yes, sir.
Product component. Scroll down. Get products by category. Subscribe to the date. Okay. Open the service method.
Product service, sir.
Go to product service class. /API/products. Okay, go to browser. Check the browser console. Network console tab. Refresh your application. Go to console, any error. See the browser console.
Sir, error is not.
Go to network tab. Check the URL which you accessed. See the URL. Backend call will be there.
Here, sir.
Scroll up. Scroll down. You can see the URL which is sent to the backend.
This no.
Give me the request access.
Yes, sir.
Can you see in the product? Can you get the categories once? Can you see the IDs of category? send a request to the product category. Show me the category IDs.
Yes, sir. No.
ID 1, 2, 3. What is missing? Give me, it is sending the request to the backend, but data is not coming. Select category name from the category where ID. The request is going to the backend from, but the data is not coming.
Sir, I think the code we have written yesterday, sir, in that I have done any mistake. Because before it was images.
Okay, you share your Git repository. It is difficult to debug like this. So if you give me your Git repository, I will run in my local and I will find out what is the issue, because your screen is getting stuck
Sure,
in.
sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, give me
I
your
will send it.
repository.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, good.
Ashok, one thing, Ashok.
Yeah.
So as a part of the front-end code, if you upload the back-end code also in the same Git repository, because my back-end code is a bit different with the entity, some changes. Again, if I change many things, I'm not sure how it will change. So that
Sure,
can,
I will do that as well.
then I will create a table and I will clone with the front end, back end, and table with your project. So it will be then. I think going forward, I will work on that also.
Sure, done.
Okay, sir. I have done the check-in for the develop branch.
Yeah. Gopal, you also push your code to develop branch. Remaining people, whatever they completed, you should complete that menu item and search functionality. Thank you, guys.